Hello to everybody. We are here from the University of Lleida, my colleague Dr. Emiliano Borri and I'm Professor Luisa Cabeza. We are here at this workshop related to the project BioBuild, co-funded by the EU.
So in BioBuild we do several activities. One of them is leading what it's called in the project Work Package 5, which is about the demo houses. In BioBuild we are one of the aims is to prove the concept that we are developing at a demo scale. So in Lleida currently we have two houses which we will use to test the concept. Now we are that is full of sensors. We are just trying them. We are completing the commissioning, and the other two are in Sweden, and they are doing the same.
We are using new materials and new composites for the buildings. The idea is to develop these new composites so that the energy decreases the energy demand. But to understand better how these perform, we do have to thermal characterize these materials. That means we need to test properties like their energy storage capability, the heat transfer capability, etc. So this characterization is needed to ensure that later the materials perform in the buildings, like my colleague Emiliano was saying, as the way we were expecting.
Regarding the demo, we are still testing the houses, so not yet. But of course, we have some interesting results in the thermal characterization, because we are really seeing how, for example, integrated phase change material can help the thermal properties of the material that we are developing.